Hey everyone, Chris Gault here, Healthy Living with Chris Gault, and this is day 2 of how to learn a 5K, and we're going to start right now. Alright, so you made it past day 1. Now it's day 2. We're ready to go out and hit the streets again, so I'm just going to turn it over to my wife.
All right, guys, so we are here on day 2. This is day 2 of our 5K beginner training program. So if you're just joining us, like I said, today is day 2. We started yesterday with our 10-week program of training for a 5K, and you can still start if you missed out on the first day by going to the YouTube link that I will have down in the comments here. Anyway, so we are on day 2, and our workout today is actually the same exact workout as yesterday. So we are going to warm up. We are then going to do our run workout, and that's going to be walking for 3 minutes and running for 1 minute, and doing that 4 times. So it's 4 minutes, 3 minutes walk, 1 minute run, that's 4 minutes. We're gonna do that 4 times, so it's a total of 16 minutes, okay? So we're gonna do that, and then we're gonna come back and we're gonna do our cool down stretches that I had in yesterday's video as well. So if you don't remember them, you can always just go back to that. So I'm very excited about this. Tomorrow is a rest day, and I'm going to tell you what I'm going to do on my rest day. I'm going to tell you all about that tomorrow. You could either rest, which is what you're supposed to do, or you could do an upper body workout, or running stretches, or yoga for runners. Lots of different options. And I get all those on YouTube, but I'm going to go more into that tomorrow, but I just want to give you a heads up. So I am going to do my warm-up now. I'm going to do my run walk, and then I'm going to cool down, and I hope you guys do the same thing and have a great time. I'm so excited how many people joined us yesterday, and hopefully we'll get more. So you guys have a great one.
All right, well, I hope you enjoyed that. I did, and I got a good workout. I feel like I'm getting pumped, and I'm ready for the next workout, so just stay tuned for the next day. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up button, and also please subscribe and click on the notification button to get all this great content that's coming up every week. Thank you.